Hello friends, we are going to do the series of videos on Android Studio for beginners. This series of videos will help you to get both practical and theoretical knowledge on Android Studio so that you can create your own applications on Android. To start with our first project, our application, we have to install Android Studio in our machine. Here I have already installed Android Studio in my machine. If you are installed, that's fine. If you are not yet installed or downloaded, first download the Android Studio into your machine from the website that I have dropped the link in the description below, and then you can install step by step. The version that I am using is Android Studio 4.0.1. Friends, let's start with our first project. Go to File, click on New, then New Project. Here in this window, we have to select the template or activity to our project. See, there are many activities in this window, right? You can see I'm going with the default or the empty activity for this project. Click on next. Here we have to write the project name. Our project is Hello World, and by default the package name is there. Here we are going to save our Android Studio applications. Android Studio supports two languages, that is Kotlin and Java. I'm going with the Java, and here the minimum SDK version we have to select. The default one is Android 4.2, that is Jelly Bean. You can select the Android version. We can select the Android version based on that we'll get to know that our application will run on approximately 99.2% of devices. After doing all this, we are going to click on Finish. See, our project is getting loaded. Wait for some time. In the starting, we have selected empty activity so that only one activity is available, so that every activity contains two files. One is Java or a class file, and another one is a XML file or the layout file. See, this is a XML file. In this XML file, see, the XML file is loading. You can see down that Gradle build is loading or syncing the files to the project. Now you can see that our project is configuring with Gradle projects. You can observe below that what are the process is going on. Wait for some time. After all this, we'll get the XML code and design of it. This is our design layout where the UI design, you can see here the split screen, so that we'll get to know the changes that we are going to do. This is a text view part. This is a text view. See, there is already a text is present in this text view. In this we can change the text. We can change the text size. I'll give 65 dp. dp is a density independent pixel. And then I'll give the text color. The color is inbuilt in the Android Studio. So we are getting the bluish color. This is a Java code. Here there are two import statements, and main activity extends app compat activity. App compat activity is a parent or a base class of all activities. Bundle case class is used to pass the data between the activities. Next, we are going to run our project. This is a simple project. That is, our application is a hello world. In the application, we'll see the hello world text. You can see below that starting AVD. AVD is an Android virtual device. See, our emulator has started. We have to wait for some time that because it is in loading state. See below that our Gradle build is running. Gradle provides a command line to execute build script. It can execute more than one task at a time. And Gradle provides several built-in tasks for retrieving the information details regarding the task and the project. You can see below what are all the process it's going on. See, now the Gradle build is finished. See, now waiting for all target devices to come online in the same. Now the application is launching. See now the application is being installed in the device. So now you can see the output of our application. Hello world. A simple and basic application. This is the XML code. You can change the text whatever you want, and the size and the color. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment to this video. In the next video, I'm going to explain all the activities, templates and its uses which we have to select in the starting of our application.